It's Lisa with Artful Fairy Designs, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a skipped loop without having to take the whole thing apart. So stay tuned and let me show you how. Okay, so here you have your blanket and here's the front, and notice that everything looks perfectly fine. The place to find a skipped loop is going to be around the back. So when we look on the back, we see that this one here has been skipped, and we know that because all the other ones are the same size and this one is just a little bit bigger. So how are we going to fix that without pulling it all apart? We're going to go ahead and find the loop of the row that it's in. Okay, in this case it's right here. We're going to flip it back over, and then you're going to go ahead and you're only pulling out this row. Okay, so you see this loop, you're only pulling out the loop. It's like magical, really, when you think about how it's like, how is this a thing? But you're only going to pull out this loop until you find it. And here it is. Here's the one that didn't go in, right? Then you're going to go ahead and just feed that through the loop that was in front of it. And then go ahead and attach all the other ones. Make the loops through there. Now, the loop that I skipped was actually a lot smaller and a little bit tighter than the other one. So it was a little bit tricky to do, but that's okay. At least we fixed it. Okay, and there you go. And you come back here and it's all perfect, and you fixed your loop and you didn't have to take the whole thing apart. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps, and be sure to share, and don't forget to hit that button so that you can see anytime I have any other videos come out. Thanks so much.